Let's dive into an episode of AI News Bites. Today we've got some amazing AI news that you don't want to miss. First, let's talk about DeWave, a groundbreaking AI system scientists have developed to read your thoughts and turn them into text. It works by understanding the signals in your brain. Check this demo out.
High quality film with twists. Good film, twists interesting.
Our Brain GPT research is about decoding information from the brain without invasive technology. This will redefine the technologies we see today. By connecting our multitask EEG encoder with large language models, our brain has struck a major breakthrough in decoding coherent and readable sentences from EEG signals.
Good afternoon. I hope you're doing well. I'll start with a cappuccino, please, with an extra shot of espresso.
To capture information directly from raw EEG waves, we designed an encoder to process waveform EEG signals. After training, this encoder allows more convenient decoding of EEG signals without the need for eye-tracking devices or pre-processing processes.
Yes, I'd like a bowl of chicken soup, please. Yes, a bowl of beef soup. The fairy tale was filled with magical adventures in a charming, enchanted forest. The fairy tale had lots of magic, journey, forest magic.
And guess what? It can correctly translate verbs from your thoughts over 40% of the time, and you don't even need any implants in your brain. Let's talk about a record-breaking achievement. A company claims to have the world's fastest phone calling AI. They have set a world record for the fastest conversational AI.
Hi, this is Sophie from Bland. I saw you filled out our online form. Is now a good time?
Yeah, now works perfect.
Perfect. Can you tell me a little more about your business?
Yeah, we're trying to automate our political campaigns phone calls.
That's a really interesting use case. I'd love to get you set up with an appointment with one of our reps. Does next Thursday at 3 work?
Yeah, it works great.
Great. We're looking forward to chatting with you.
All right, bye.
This technology can be used in various fields like politics, customer support, surveying, and sales. Next up, big news from Microsoft. They have introduced a new app for CoPilot on Android, iOS, and iPadOS. This means you can use this incredible AI tool wherever you are, and it's completely free. We are talking about features like GPT-4, DALL-E 3, voice chat, and vision, all available at no cost. I have also made a YouTube short about this, so be sure to check it out. I'll link it down below. Let's shift gears to Samsung. They have teased some exciting AI features for the upcoming Galaxy S24 phones. You can look forward to things like nightography zoom, new editing features, live translation, and more. It seems Apple might have some competition.
From the back of the taxi. Then came TV phone? Yep. They got bigger and smarter. Stronger even. Then they became more than phones. I mean, who would have thought the flip phone would make a comeback?
So, what's next?
Well, who knows?
Now here's a surprising story from India. Someone managed to operate a driverless car using an application called Flowpilot, which is an open source application. This app allows you to set up autonomous driving with a smartphone and works on Linux, Windows and Android devices. It's certainly innovative, but it's important to remember that it's not legal and can be dangerous. Next, we have an invention from Augmental Tech. They have developed a smart mount pad that lets you control your phone using your Bluetooth. This could be incredibly useful for people with certain physical disadvantages.
I'm going to use my mouse pad to get directions with Google Maps. Hey Siri, turn on Bluetooth.
Over in Seoul in South Korea, the city government plans to use drones and AI to monitor traffic conditions in real time starting in 2024. South Korea is making significant strides in drone technology. There is also a fantastic drone show from New Year's Eve in Busan, South Korea. Don't miss it. Lastly, Alibaba has announced AN3D, a new method for creating 3D models from people from just 2D pictures. This technology could revolutionize how we create 3D models for animation, video games and virtual reality. It's simpler, faster than traditional methods. That's all for today's AI news. Keep watching me for more updates in the world of AI. And if you found this useful, do like and share and subscribe to my channel as it really helps me. Thank you and see you in the next video.